If you want to save yourself hours and hours, then watch this handy KDP shortcut. For years, KDP has stopped us from being able to quickly copy A+ content from one marketplace to another. Instead, for each new country we want to add it to, we have to manually add the 5 modules, add the ASIN, add all of the comparison table details, and so on. Doing this is very tedious and takes up a lot of time, especially if you want to add A+ content for the UK, USA, Canada, Australia, or even more. But do not fear, because I found a handy little glitch that lets you copy A+ content easily in under 1 minute. Let me show you how. Okay, so first I'm creating some test A+ content for one of my books in the UK marketplace, just to show you that the tip works. Obviously, for the first country you do the A+ content for, you have to do it manually, but adding all of these modules manually for each country is tedious. So you can imagine you have to find the correct module sizing, add that, add your image, then you have to do the same for the second module, the third, the fourth, and what I like to do is add a comparison table module for the 5th and final module. And if you can imagine how long this takes, right? You have to go to your KDP bookshelf on one tab, find your ASIN for the book that you want to showcase here. Then you have to go back to your KDP bookshelf, grab the second ASIN, the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th. Then what I do is I would add some metrics, and you have to do all of these. And it just takes up a lot of time if you had to do that for each country that you wanted to showcase your A+ content in. All right, but let me show you this glitch. I'm going to get rid of this because I don't want to fill all this out and show you all of my books so that you can copy it. Okay, so we've got our 4 modules here. Then we want to apply the ASIN. I've added the ASIN, go to next. There are my modules, submit for approval. Okay, submitted for approval. Then if we come back to the UK A+ Content Manager, you will see the test here. You will see it's been approved. Now I'm going to try and copy it to the USA marketplace. So I'm going to click on Switch Marketplace, choose Amazon.com, open Marketplace, and then I'm going to click on Show Auto Created Content. And surprise, surprise, it doesn't show up. Okay, so if it doesn't show up, you can't copy it easily. So what most people would do is they'd have to create A+ content again for the same book on each marketplace. So you'd have to go through all those modules, add all of them, add the comparison table, all of the details, and so on. Very long. But if you simply click the Show Auto Created Content button a few times, it will now show up. So you can just click into that. There it is. Now, instead of adding all of the content it's already done for us, click on Edit, apply ASINs. Don't have to add any ASINs. Go to Review and Submit. Submit for approval. And it's been successfully submitted for approval. Okay, back to the A+ Content Manager. You can see that I'm in the Amazon US marketplace. You can see my test A+ content, and you can see the date and that it's been approved. Okay, how quick is that? Then you'll do the same for Canada, Australia, and so on. Okay, and that's it. Instead of spending 10 to 15 minutes for each marketplace, adding all of the modules, details, and so on, we've been able to copy it in under 1 minute. If you found this tip helpful and you know it will save you hours over time, then please like this video and share with someone in the KDP space that will be grateful for it. And if you want a whole load more tips and tricks that save you time, effort, and money, then I have tons more in my step-by-step self-publishing success strategy system. Use the link in my description and use code Valentines for 25% off. Catch you in the next video. Take care.